What's up guys? So today I'm gonna go ahead and finish painting the headliner. I just need about 1 or 2 more coats till it's done. All the plastic pieces and everything are already painted, so they're ready to go. So I just need to do this and then I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple of hours, and then tonight I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the headliner. It's looking really good, except there's just a little bit of lines going through like over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give the whole thing just 1 more coat, and hopefully everything looks really even. So this is what it looks like after I put another layer on it. It looks really black and it looks super good. And these are all the plastic pieces and all the trims and everything right here. So these are already good, they're ready to go. So I'm just gonna let the headliner dry for a couple hours, and then I'll put it back in the car. So I'm taking the wires that were for the lights and I'm just gonna put them back through the pukas and reconnect them. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Look at my baby over here. He came home and he making you dinner, and he brought me roses.
Take 3.